Walnuts are known as a superfood because of their high content of healthy fats they contain together with the numerous health benefits they provide. These foods comprise anything from almonds and pistachios to peanuts and walnuts. However, in case you want to make more improvements concerning your health, read on to find out why walnuts should be part of your diet. Nutrients found in walnuts. Walnuts have a variety of vitamins and minerals. Only a handful of these will be enough until your next meal. Some of the most important nutrients found in walnuts are omega-3 fatty acids, polyunsaturated fats, phenols, vitamin E, and antioxidants. What happens to your body 4 hours after you eat just 5 walnuts? Adding just 1 ounce of walnuts into your diet on a regular daily basis will provide you with some of the following health benefits. 1. Lower stress levels. Walnuts can do wonders for your stress levels, especially if you suffer physically as a result of stress or are prone to reacting strongly to stressful situations. In fact, walnuts calm your body's reaction to stress, thus helping you to get through the physical side effects of this mental condition more easily. 2. Stronger heart. Walnuts pack a high quantity of antioxidants, which are essential for fighting free radicals that lead to heart disease and degeneration. Eating walnuts regularly can significantly improve your heart health. 3. Brain protection against age-related degeneration. Due to the omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts, regular consumption of these nuts has been related to a decline in Alzheimer's disease. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids are also extremely beneficial against cancer, ADHD, and depression. 4. Lower cholesterol levels. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine shows that men who consume walnuts have lower bad cholesterol levels than those who do not eat walnuts. This goes hand in hand with the heart benefits of walnuts. 5. Weight loss. As mentioned before, walnuts are abundant in polyunsaturated fats, which are essential for proper body function because they prevent arteries from clogging and have negative health effects like saturated fats. Plus, polyunsaturated fats reduce unhealthy cravings and keep you full for longer. 6. Stronger hair, skin, and nails. Polyunsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids are also beneficial for your appearance. These nutrients can strengthen your nails, make your hair shinier, and make your skin smoother. Regardless of which health benefits appeal most to you, walnuts should be an integral part of your diet. There are plenty of ways to enjoy them: plain as a snack, chopped on your salad, in desserts, or as a side dish. Except for being extremely healthy, walnuts are also very rich in calories and fat, so it's advisable that you don't go over the border with them. A little amount will be enough.